All right, so let's try one more example to go along with our first example. Again, track on your sheet while I read aloud. It says, Tara needs a new training plan for her marathon she is going to run. She needs a combination of running workouts and weightlifting workouts in order to be successful. She wants a plan that's mostly running workouts though. So in plan A, for every 7 running workouts, there are 3 weightlifting workouts. In plan B, there are 4 running workouts for every 5 total workouts. So we're going to set up 2 ratio tables to compare, and then we're going to say which one she should choose. Again, let's keep in mind that she wants a plan that is mostly running workouts. So we're going to choose a plan that is mostly running workouts. So let's see what we're going to do. So first thing we're going to try to pick out is what are the ratios in our problem. So let's see, I see some for every language, so I must know for every 7 running workouts, there are 3. So this is plan A. So let's write down on our roadmaps. We have plan A, and our ratio for plan A is 7:3. Again, with 7 being the running workouts, and the 3 being the weightlifting workouts. Now let's see what our ratio is for plan B, see if it's a little different. It says in plan B there are 4 running workouts for every 5 total workouts. So the quantity changes here. It's not weightlifting, it's a total. So for plan B, we have 4 to 5, with 4 being our running workouts and 5 being the total. So we can set up some tables here and see if we can start solving. Keep in mind, we need a table for plan A and a table for plan B. And we have all kinds of stuff here. We have running workouts, we have weightlifting workouts, and we have the total. And we have those 3 columns for both of our plans. So let's start with plan A. So I know 7 is my running workout, so I'm going to put a 7 here. And I know 3 goes with the 7, since they're in a ratio pair. That means our total for this particular plan is 10 here. It would be 10. So let's keep going. So then we know 4 for our running workouts on plan B, so I have a 4. And then I know 5 is not the weightlifting. Remember, it's the total number of workouts. So if I have 5 total and 4 of them are running, that means the one that's left over must be a weightlifting workout. So now we're going to start to solve here. So right now when I look at this, I don't see any common numbers. So I'm going to have to make some common numbers. So let's look at our numbers and see what we can find. So let's look at our running numbers, 7 and 4. The closest time, they're going to be the same as 28. So that's a pretty long ways off. Let's try another column. 3 and 1. We could easily multiply this one by 3, and it would be a 3. That might work. Let's take a look at the last one. 10 and 5. I know the very next one, if I double 5, that's going to get me 10. And then I'll have the matching numbers that I want in my table that will help me make a comparison. So let's go ahead and do it. So we did times 2 to get 10. We would do the same thing here. Times 2, that gives me 2. And finally, times 2 here as well. That gives me 8. So now I've got something to compare. We can see both workouts. This one, both plans now have 10 workouts, right? But this plan's got 7 running. This one's got 8. This one's got 3 weightlifting. This one's got 2. In order to decide what the one we want, we should probably go back and check the problem. We remember, she wants a plan that is mostly running. So let's see, is that plan A with 7 out of 10? Or is that plan B with 8 out of 10? Obviously, this has 1 more out of 10. So that means Tara should choose plan B, because when the total is the same, total workouts is the same, there are, wow, there's only 1 more running workout. So they're pretty close. There are 1 more running workouts. Only 1 more. I guess if we do our subject verb agreement again, we should say there is 1 more. Okay? If there's anything that was not clear from this video or from the video before this, make sure you go back, rewatch, make sure everything on my board matches what's on your paper.